Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the very first video of our Android hacking series. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or a security professional, we are about to dive into the exciting world of finding vulnerabilities in Android apps. In this video, I will give you an overview of what Android hacking is, why it is important, and what you will learn throughout this series. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Android hacking? Well, Android hacking is the process of evaluating an Android app or Android device for security vulnerabilities. We are basically putting the app to the test by identifying weaknesses that could be exploited by hackers. But this isn't just about hacking for fun. Companies, developers, and security teams use hacking to make sure their apps are secure before they go public. In a world where millions of users rely on mobile apps for sensitive tasks like banking, healthcare, or even social networking, it's critical to ensure these apps are secure. Why is Android hacking so important? Because the stakes are high. We store so much personal data on our devices. Think about all the emails, password, financial information, and private photos that are sitting on our phone right now. A single vulnerability in an app can put all of that data at risk. In fact, studies show that a significant percentage of mobile applications have critical vulnerabilities that can be exploited. Our job as a hacker is to find and fix those vulnerabilities before malicious actors can. Throughout this series, we are going to uncover the most common vulnerabilities that Android apps suffer from. These include insecure data storage, where applications store sensitive information in an insecure way, making it easy for attackers to steal it. Weak authentication, when applications fail to properly authenticate users, leaving them open to account takeover attacks. Insecure communication, when an application's communication with the server isn't properly encrypted, hacker can intercept and manipulate that data. Excessive permissions, when apps request too many permission that they don't actually need, leaving a huge attack surface for attackers to exploit. And those are just a few examples. We are going to deep dive into each of these, but more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to exploit them in a safe testing environment. Here's what you can expect to learn in this series. First, we will walk you through setting up your Android hacking environment. This includes installing Android Studio, configuring emulators, and installing some of the hacking tools. Next, we will cover both static analysis and dynamic analysis of Android applications. Static analysis involves dissecting the app's code without running it, while dynamic analysis involves testing the apps while it is running to see how it is behaving in real time. You will learn how to reverse engineer Android apps, uncover hidden or hard-coded secrets, exploit insecure data storage, and even intercept app traffic with tools like Bobsuit. I will also show you how to bypass SSL pinning, a security measure used by apps to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. And don't worry, this won't just be theory. We'll go through real-world scenarios where we will identify and exploit vulnerabilities in sample applications, similar to what you would encounter in the field. So what's next? In the next video, we will start by setting up your hacking environment. We'll install Android Studio, configure emulators, and get your testing tools up and running. This is the foundation of everything you will be doing, so make sure you don't miss it. If this sounds like something you are interested in, be sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And if you are into daily cybersecurity tips, follow us on Instagram at HackedIn60. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.